Peace friends, welcome back to the channel. As promised, today we are reviewing the mini Amigurumi Ocean book. This book is by Sarah Abbindio, and she has several other books in this series of mini Amigurumi animals and little creatures that you can make. Okay, so in the previous video, I asked you guys to vote to let me know which one of the patterns that you wanted to see me make. And I'm going to show you that when we get to the end of the video. Okay. This book was published in 2023, so it is fairly new. It's a very cute book, and I just couldn't decide which one of the creatures to make, so I left it up to you guys. But I think the book is great if you are into making little tiny amigurumi. You could also use these patterns to make bigger plushie size toys. If you are selling or making plushies, the patterns in here would be great for that. She does have some recommendations in the book of the yarns and the hooks that you can use to make the animals or the creatures bigger, okay? But the patterns do ask you to use, I believe it's a 2.5 hook, and that will give you the smaller amigurumi, right? So here we have 26 different creatures are here in the book. One of them being the octopus up here. I thought this was really cute because you can use a kind of textured fuzzy yarn to do the tentacles here. And it seems pretty straightforward and simple in the pattern. We also have the seal here. Now, you will need those small round safety eyes. Well, you don't have to. I mean, you could stitch them on if you wanted to. And of course, you need something to stuff the amigurumi with. They do have some of the animals have little parts like the little feet, the little tails, the dorsal fins, and things like that that you have to add to it. Okay. I thought the clownfish was really cute with the different colors and the fins. The anglerfish is really fun as well. The whale shark here, she's recommending crocheting 2 colors of yarn together, so that'll give you that like blue and white texture that you have there. And then some of these have, you know, appendages as far as these the tentacles and little extra little things that you have to sew on. So I don't do a lot of amigurumi. I do like making them. Like when they come out, they're really cute and I'm really satisfied with them. I just haven't had a lot of, on my Etsy shop, I really don't put them on there and sell them. You know, my customers don't really look for amigurumi. I sell more baby items, but the book was so cute and I just love crocheting new things. So killer whale is cute. They're all really cute. They're just cute. They're just cute. Now, before you guys voted, I was considering doing the manta ray because of the shape of it, this triangle shape. I have already done a lobster before, like I was making some amigurumi food a couple years ago. I like the angelfish as well. I've already made a turtle before. I've done that. So, but you guys voted on the puffer fish, and I'm going to show you the puffer fish that I made in a second. Okay. Now, this book, the crochet terms are written in UK terms. So there is a chart here in the book that she gives you to translate that. But basically, you know, it might say double crochet, but in US terms, we know that's a single crochet. All right. So if you're not familiar with that, there is a chart here in the book to help you get through that. Okay. But overall, I recommend the book. The pattern was very easy to follow, and I'm really happy with the way that my puffer fish came out, okay? So what I used is my 4.0 millimeter hook. I don't even have a 2.5 hook. I just don't go that small. Okay, so this is my trusty clover hook here. And I use this Yarn Bee yellow. This is an acrylic yarn. And here's my puffer fish. And he was made with the popcorn stitch. He worked up pretty quickly. You know, I think I finished him in maybe 2 hours or so. But he is so cute. He's so cute. So I'm trying to decide, you know, what to do with him. I put the fins on a little too high. Like they should be kind of like back here. And I guess I should have looked at what a puffer fish really looks like. Like where the fins are actually placed on the body. But he is cute. Look at that. And I gave him some little eyes. So yeah, this was pretty easy. I'm getting used to the popcorn stitch. I like it because it's just so much texture, right? And you just want to touch it. I did recently a makeup bag using this popcorn bobble stitch. And that's the only thing I've really done with it. But I think this stitch was very suitable for this fish. Okay. So highly recommend the book if you would like to do some amigurumi. If you want to turn this into a larger plushie, you can certainly get some thicker, bulky yarn and a bigger hook and do so and just stuff it. Some recommendations, what you could do with these patterns. You could make this entire set or just a few of them and maybe use them as teaching tools about ocean life, aquatic animals. You could maybe if you have kids who crochet and you teach a class or something like that, you could have the kids crochet each of these little creatures and then maybe put on some type of play or teach what they know about these aquatic animals in some type of presentation. You could do that. You could use them for pretend play. Maybe you have some Montessori classes, or maybe you're a homeschool teacher. So many fun things that you could use these for in teaching about science or the aquatic life that's in the oceans. Okay, so I will be back with the next book review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe and the like. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you as well. Make sure you hit the like as well. You can check out my Etsy shop where I do sell my patterns and my creations. And make sure you come back. We'll be doing another fun tutorial soon and some more book reviews. Take care.